Trust flow is a metric created by Majestic.com. They rate a website on a scale of 1 to 100, and sites with a higher trust flow are considered to be having greater authority. Majestic collated a set of high authority sites, a seed set. If a site has links from this set of trusted sites in the seed set, its trust flow will be very high. On the other hand, if a site is several hops away from that seed set of high authority sites, its trust flow will be low. You can say trust flow is a number that measures the degrees of separation of a site from the seed set of high authority sites. In this diagram, let's suppose this is the seed set of high authority sites collated by Majestic.com. A is a set of sites that have a link from one or more sites in the seed set. B is a set of sites that have a link from one or more sites in set A. C is a set of sites that have a link from one or more sites in set B. Sites in set D do not have a link from sites in any of the other sets. The trust flow of sites in set A will be very high as these sites have a link from sites in the seed set of high authority sites. Trust flow of sites in set B will be lower than the trust flow of sites in set A. Trust flow of sites in set C will be lower than the trust flow of sites in set B. Trust flow of sites in set D will be very, very low as these sites do not have a link from any of these sets of sites. Sites in set D are possibly several hops away from the seed set of high authority sites. Citation flow, on the other hand, is a measure of the link juice flowing to the site. More the links pointing to a site, higher will be its citation flow. We are now on Majestic.com. Let's check the trust flow and citation flow of Google.com. We'll need to enter the URL here and click search. Trust flow of Google.com is 97 and citation flow is 96. These are extremely high numbers, and you would want to remember that these are logarithmic scales. One ratio you will want to compute is the trust ratio. It's the ratio of trust flow to citation flow. As far as possible, you want to get links from domains with a trust ratio greater than or equal to 1. At the very least, you want this ratio to be as close to 1 as possible, and certainly not a lot less than 1. This ratio is a very good indicator of whether the links to the site are trustworthy or spammy. If the trust ratio of a site is greater than 1, it means the trust flow is greater than the citation flow. In other words, the links are mostly from highly trusted sites. If the trust ratio is equal to 1, it's still alright. It means at least a few of the links are from trusted sites. If the trust ratio is far less than 1, it means the site has mostly spammy links with very low trust flow, and you would not want a link from that domain. Any website with a lot of links pointing to it will have a high citation flow, and if most of these links are from very low quality sites, its trust flow will be very low. A low trust ratio is one indication of a site with a spammy link profile, and you would not want a link from such a site. For Google.com, you can see trust flow is greater than citation flow. So the trust ratio of Google.com is greater than 1.